Most people think they have to work until they are 65. They think they need $5 million, maybe $10 million, to finally quit their job and be free. But what if I told you that you are calculating it completely wrong? Today, I am going to show you the exact math you need to quit your job forever. It's called your financial independence number. Welcome back to Financial Freedom Hub. Let's do the math. Meet Bob. Bob hates his 9-to-5 job. He wants to quit. But when he tries to calculate how much money he needs, he just guesses a massive number: $10 million. Bob gets depressed, gives up, and goes back to work. Bob's mistake is that he focuses on how much he wants to have, but the wealthy focus on how much it costs to live. Your freedom is not based on a random billion-dollar dream. It is based strictly on your yearly expenses. To find your exact freedom number, we use the Rule of 25. It is a simple two-step formula. Step 1. Figure out exactly how much money you need to survive and be happy for 1 year. Let's say your rent, food, and fun cost you $4,000 a month. That means you need $48,000 a year to live your current lifestyle. Step 2. Take that yearly number and multiply it by 25. 48,000 times 25 equals $1.2 million. That is it. That is your exact FI number. If you have $1.2 million invested, you never have to work another day in your life. But wait, you might be asking, if I quit my job and spend that money every year, won't I run out of money eventually? The answer is no, because of the 4% rule. When you invest your $1.2 million in a broad market index fund, like we talked about in video The Only 3 Funds You Need for Life, the stock market grows by an average of 7 to 10% every year. The 4% rule states that you can withdraw 4% of your total invested money every single year to pay for your life. Because the market grows faster than you spend, your money actually outlives you. You are no longer working for money. Your money is working for you. Now you know your target. So, how do you get there faster? You only have 2 levers you can pull. You can lower your yearly expenses, which directly lowers the total amount you need to save. Or you can increase your income and invest the massive gap in between. The wider the gap between what you earn and what you spend, the faster you buy back your time. Congratulations! If you have watched this entire foundation series, you now know more about money, budgeting, index funds, and wealth building than 99% of the population. But building the foundation is just the beginning. In the upcoming videos, we will dive deep into the specific tools, side hustles, and advanced strategies to accelerate your journey to your FI number. Subscribe right now, grab a calculator, and figure out your number today. Learn to freedom.